Hello there, welcome back to another new video. So as you can see here, I have a BlackBerry Bold 9900 and I got it few days back. And what happened is that, so when I got it, I had restored it with BlackBerry App World, BlackBerry desktop software, and after that my BlackBerry World was not working. So it was asking me to update the BlackBerry App World, but when I try to update it, it doesn't work. So most of the time it doesn't work, so I couldn't able to download any software for a few days. Then I was looking for the solution and I got some solution for that. So it will work in OS 6, 7 and 7.1. If you have any problem with your BlackBerry App World, it will solve that problem. So now as you can see, it's working fine and I can download the software and other things, games. As you can see, I have downloaded, and the theme is I'm using is OS 10 theme, so it's running on actually OS 7.1. So how to do that? First of all, you just uninstall the BlackBerry World that you have in your phone. Just delete it. After doing that, if it may ask you to restart, you can do that too. And then you have to go to this website. So it will not open, the website will not be work here, because if you try to download from the browser, it will not work. So what you have to do, you have to download it through your Android phone or your PC. Then you have to put it in the micro SD card, then it will work fine. Then you can install it. So let me show you, as I am using OS 7, so I will go to the 7.1 link. As you can see here, OS 7.1, just click on that. It will take you to the download link, the software link, BlackBerry App World, as you can see here. And if I try to download it through this, continue, no, I have to download the BlackBerry App World. It will show you the download. Yeah, it's went back. So if you go to the parent directory, you will find the other sources for 6, 7 and 7.1. so I will download the 7.1. just to go to 7.1. After that, you have to click on BlackBerry World JID, continue. So when you press the download button, it may not work. You see, it's not working. So what you have to do, you can download it through your Android phone and put it to your in the macro SD card and put it in your BlackBerry. Then you just go to the directory, file and device. As you can see, I have already put it in my SD card, phone memory. Then just go here and now download it. Now it will download and install it. So it will work on OS 6, 7 and 7.1 if you have any issue with your BlackBerry World. Although many people don't use this device nowadays, so but some people still use this device and use and play some games and listen to the music. So for those people, it will be helpful. So if it asks you to reboot the device, just reboot it. So as you can see, the device is rebooted, and you can see here the BlackBerry App World. And just if I press this one, so as you can see, it's working fine. Now you can download your apps and games and themes. So the theme I'm using right now is BlackBerry OS 10 theme, although this is running on OS 7.1. So it looks good on this device actually. So that's it for today. Hopefully it will help many users who are still using this device, this nostalgic device. And see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.